Hey, Matt here with PRQ Exteriors. Are you worried that your roof might need repairs? Probably not. While your roof is the most expensive maintenance item on your home, it's often the area that homeowners think about the least. At least until there's a water leak, and then oftentimes it's too late. There's water inside your home. The reality is, our environment in Colorado can be really hard on your roof. Colorado has wild weather, including thunderstorms with high wind and hail. In fact, Colorado is one of the top states in terms of the frequency of hailstorms. Now, usually hail damage isn't going to cause a water leak or any noticeable symptoms on the inside of your home. The damage occurs to the shingles on your roof. Hail hits from a storm result in a loss of value to your home, and this is a really common reason insurance companies pay to repair damaged roofs in Colorado. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Many roof inspections find no damage at all. And in this situation, you can rest easy with peace of mind. Call in a roofing pro from PRQ Exteriors for a free roof inspection today. A small time investment now could save you thousands of dollars in repair costs down the road.